Hello guys, Nick is here with you from Learn Perfumes. Today we discuss and try to get some information about agarwood. These wood chips and agarwood, these are get from the trees of Acolaria. These wood chips are used for burning process. When we burn them on a charcoal, we get a very good smoke, and with the smoke we get a very pleasant aroma. You can use this smoke on your cloth or into the room to make your own home or make your own room full of fragrance. Then we can also extract the oil from this agarwood, and then this oil is also used as essential oil. You can use on your skin or on your cloth, and you can also make perfume from them. This agarwood is also used in a medical fields, especially these are used for mind relaxation and meditation. I am with one of my friend. He has really a great knowledge about agarwood and natural wood. So he is with me. I try to get his opinion about everything. So how are you, sir? Good?
I'm good, I'm good.
Can you tell us something about this wood?
Okay, so first of all, this wood from Nagaland. There is a state in India which considered is one of the sweetest smell we found in terms of agarwood.
So Assam?
No, there is another state. It's nearby Assam. So
okay,
this wood actually from there. Okay, Arab people, they well know about this place, Nagaland. Okay, so Nagaland considered is one of the best place for producing wood, and their smell is considered very sweet and very nice. So that's why people always prefer purchasing this wood.
Okay, but can you tell me how we identify that this is originally from Assam or this is the normal quality or something? Oh, sorry.
See, one thing, it's agarwood is, whatever it looks, it doesn't matter. So actually, this the first thing about agarwood is it smells. Okay, the smell is the things which differentiate between Assam, Nagaland, or Manipur, or any other states. Okay. So this wood actually from Nagaland, how did we consider? Because we know we actually cut the trees from there. We purchase this wood from Nagaland. That's why we can easily differentiate. But how would any other person know?
But for how, what about the customer? Let's suppose if I don't have any information about wood or something, I go to randomly any shop to buy some wood for me. Okay. So how I identify which one is good quality, which one is normal, or see, you know what I want to ask you.
Yeah, I understand. Okay, I'll try to clarify this your queries. See, at the end of the day, agarwood is everything about smells. Okay, so if for example, let's say this wood it looks like very nice. It's black layers and very cleaned. Okay, everything is perfect. But what happened if we burn something? Some of the portion from here, and if it doesn't smell nice, then nobody gonna buy this one. Right?
Of course.
Yeah. So actually, the person who purchased this one from, let's say it's from Nagaland, okay, and its smell doesn't look like Nagaland and it doesn't smell like Nagaland, then you can differentiate this one. And for another is trust matter. Okay. For example, if you trust me, so I can provide as your Nagaland, I can differentiate. Perhaps customer doesn't know about this Nagaland. Okay, but many people claim, this wood from the Nagaland, but sometimes it's just another way of trapping people.
Great, I know that. By the way, guys, I know this guy. So if you want any information, I will put their all details in the description. You can contact with them if you want to purchase something, because I know this man. So what about this one, sir?
This one from Assam. See, you cannot differentiate this one from Assam, but I know.
This one is from Assam. The first one you show me is from Nagaland.
Nagaland, yes.
But it's not a huge difference.
Yeah, you cannot differentiate, but see, I know everything about wood. My forefather, they've been doing this business for so long.
So means you're fourth generation.
Yeah, I'm the third generation actually.
Great. Okay. Can you tell us the price so guys can get a more exact idea?
Okay.
So what about the pricing? Sorry.
This one perhaps it's roughly between 8,000 to 12,000 dirhams.
By the way, we're talking about in dirham, means 8,000 dirham for per kg.
Yeah.
Yeah. To be clear. Okay, and what about this one?
This one, it's roughly between 3,000 to 4,000 dirhams.
2,000 to 4,000 dirham for per kg.
Yeah, per kg.
Yeah. In UAE, if you want in other country, maybe you charge something for delivery or something.
Yeah, a little bit different maybe.
Of course. Do you have also a warehouse in India?
Yeah, we have warehouse in India. It's a huge warehouse, and also we have here in Dubai, also in Kuwait, and we are going to
Yeah.
start
So
one
means
warehouse
there
in Qatar also.
means it's like internationally. What about this one, sir?
This one from Manipur, and this is double super actually, quality double super. This all from Manipur.
These terms like super quality, double super quality, or triple super quality, these terms clarify the quality of agarwood. Means triple super quality is more premium and super quality is little less quality. Okay, sir. So what is the next thing you're going to show us?
This one as well from Nagaland. This one as well from Nagaland. That's a little bit premium quality.
You also show us the first one is also from Nagaland.
Yeah, but this one premium quality. I mean, a little bit better than the other one, the first one.
Okay. So what about the price range?
Price it's roughly between 11 to 12,000.
Okay. Okay. And what about this?
This one from Manipur. This one Manipur premium quality. This one. These selective pieces here.
Okay. So what is the price range for this?
This one will be 8,500 last price.
This only used in Gulf countries, or what about in other countries like Europeans or Americans or
Yeah, Gulf.
Asia?
I mean, Gulf people. I mean, they're very much. I mean, involved using
Yeah,
this.
they're
wood
like
for-
addicted.
Yeah, addicted
Yes.
to this. And now, actually, this market is wider. It's going to be widened, you know, in the few maybe few upcoming few decades. Now, European people, they also start using this.
Yes. Now,
windows.
even China producing large amount of agarwood. What about this?
I mean, yeah, they also interested. I mean, for this business, especially not for users' purpose, but they are selling this wood. They are producing for this market. They know this is billion-dollar market.
And what is this, sir?
This is from Assam. This is super quality only.
Okay. I want to ask you one more question. What is the difference about the colors? You see, this one is like a little light, but this one is very dark.
Yeah, that's why, I mean, price also differs.
Means the darker one is more expensive.
Yeah, exactly.
Now here we not talk about a polished color. We talk about here the natural color. Means when we get this agarwood from the trees, that time what is the color? Mean it is near to the white, like light brown, or a dark brown, or more near to the black color. Why this is very lightweight. Some of them.
Yeah,
some of it means they have normal weight,
Yeah,
but some are
weight-
very light.
Weight
means
does
like this.
matter sometimes, but at the end of the day, smell always, you know, speaks louder than the.
Okay, one more question. See, normally I see agarwood. By the way, this is all the very basic question which everyone want to know. See, normally you see the agarwood. This is normally empty from inside. It's like a hollow.
Yeah,
Why like this? But some you see the pieces which are full.
See, for example, some of the pieces maybe perhaps you got rotten inside. Okay, so what we do, we clean from inside. That's why perhaps it's hollow sometimes. Yeah, I mean inside.
By the way, I don't know this before. Okay, what about this one, sir?
This one also from Nagaland, but this small size, baby jura we call it. Baby jura, small sizes.
Means small sizes.
Yes, exactly.
Quality is same, I think.
Yeah, see, quality
Yeah,
is same.
it looks same from
Quality
this color.
and smell also
Yes.
same, but only because of the sizes.
Okay, and what about this, sir?
This one also from this one Manipur. Yeah, as I told you
Manipur.
earlier. This one from
You also tell me one before
yeah,
from
yeah,
Manipur.
Yeah.
See, this is also like a hollow and very lightweight. This one is very lightweight. Okay, and one more question, sir, I want to ask you. May we hear some terms like this agarwood is underwater. What is this underwater and something?
Underwater is it's another way of telling people that the quality of the wood. If this wood is sinkable, it is sinking, then it's more premium quality than the rest of the wood. So people consider the highest quality. It's called underwater. Means it's sinkable wood.
So what about this one?
Okay, so this one for Salla from Assam and it's super quality. People call in Assam we call it Salla. Here perhaps in Arab people they say it, and it's Suyufi.
Okay, and what about the price range, sir? For this one, the first one.
Price will be 3,500 for like.
3,000 for. That means this is like a little cheaper.
Yeah.
And guys, now I showed you at the last the most premium quality they have in agarwood, which is in this box. I request my cameraman to come closer so that you can see it. See, look at the presentation, and they put this in a silk cloth, and you can see this. See the color. This is, I think, most darker than all we see today. See, I'm just going crazy when I see this. Look at the shape, look at the texture. It's like a crown, by the way, sir. Sir, can you guide us something about this one?
This one actually from Sri Lanka, and this is Sri Lankan underwater. This is premium quality wood. It's very rare nowadays. Okay, it's very hard to find this kind of wood, because we used to buy this kind of wood from Sri Lanka, but nowadays it's very hard, very rare to find. So I actually collected this one, this 2 kg perhaps, maybe inside this box, 2 kg. I mean, I selected
2 kg only.
Yeah,
this looks more.
Yeah, I actually had 14 kg.
Can I get the idea? Yes, maybe.
Yeah, I actually had 14 kg. So out of 14 kg, I only selected this 2 kilo.
For most premium.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay,
for
so
some VIP
I know
customers.
This question may be not related, but what is the price? Because I know this is most expensive.
Price, it's maybe like 50 to 60 like this.
50 to 60,000 dirham in UAE for per kg.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Guys, very expensive. But what we say, this oud can speak. This show us what is it. Sir, one more question I want to ask you. What about the wild oud? Sometimes we hear that this is a wild oud, but as I know, means according to my limited information, now wild oud is means approximately not possible to get. So what about this? Is it a wild oud or?
Yeah, this one wild oud actually. Wild oud, and the difference between wild oud and plantation oud is because wild oud actually comes from jungle naturally.
Yes, and from the forest, means this is no any human who arrange this everything and who make this all the process for oud by hand or something.
Exactly.
Okay.
So that's why, you know, wild oud
like
is always expensive. Yeah, this one very nice.
So from all of them, only this one is the wild, or you have any other?
No, I mean this whole lot. I mean this 2 kilo lot. This all from wild oud. This is from jungle, not from plantation.
Okay, and remaining all from the plantation?
No. I actually, this Nagaland and Manipur I shown you before.
Yes, you showed.
So these 2 actually from wild oud categories. Okay.
Okay. One more and last question. Let's suppose if I want oud, a good oud with a better fragrance, with a good texture, which one is preferable for me in my budget, in limited budget, for economical, which give you good result but economical?
I think you should go for triple super, but
can you show us again to our family? What is this? This one?
Yeah, no, this one triple super. This 2 triple super. This
okay,
one,
so we have to go for this one. See, like this. This is small pieces.
Super clean, see.
Yes. What price you tell me is for this? Sorry,
I told you this price roughly between 8,500 to
8,000 to 12,000 for 1 kg.
Yeah.
So I mean, this is suitable for someone who just want to get some experience about oud. So this is the best. Okay, sir. Thank you so much for your time, and you share lots of your information with all of us.
You are most welcome.
If someone wants some more information, or if someone wants Agar or Bakhoor from you, can I put your details in description?
Exactly.
Okay, I will put all his detail in the description. You can contact them.